Mr. and Mrs. Schwarzenbach?
Please don't call the police.
We can put it all back.
Yeah, we're really, really sorry.
How did you get in here?
We used this.
We found it in the basement.
Yeah, that's where we're living.
Sort of unofficially.
Yeah, we've had some financial difficulties, you see. We just really needed some food. There's always so much food. We'll never do it again.
I've actually got one of those myself. Does yours like pureed carrot?
Thank you.